So hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2 Steps, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your EPFO employee account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will be showing you on this video, and then you can log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for EPFO employee login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will now be on your screen, and then just click on the first link that pops up on your screen, and this will take you to the official website of EPFO. Now, this pop-up will be on your screen. You can just cross this out. After you do so, on the right hand side of your screen, here you can see a small area to input your UAN number and password to continue to your account. Now just input your UAN and your password and also fill out the CAPTCHA that is given to you on your own screen. After you do so, just hit on sign in and then you'll be signed in into your employee account. But in case you forgot your password, you can use this button, forgot password, to help you reset and retrieve it. After inputting your UAN number and password and then hitting on sign in, then you'll be signed in into your EPFO account, and that's how you can sign in into your EPFO employee account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.